Hello everyone, this is Michelle and I'm back to do an unboxing of my new Twsbi, and it is a broad tip mini vac. Yes it is. And let me show you something on the bottom. Just in case you didn't know, this is on the bottom for your minis. But this is the back mini. In the clear. And like I said, it's a broad tip. And let's try and get this baby to work. Let's see, let's go down. And not too far down. There we go. And yes, I made a mess, but that's okay. Let's close that up and clean that up. That's why I've got a clear plastic up here for things like that. Okay. Ooh, that's a broad. I like. And this is now inked with Colorverse Felicity. But I am going to ink one more pen while I'm right here. Let's get that out the way. I am going to ink up this little guy too. And this is a Jen How 20. If I can get it open, I will ink it. There we go. Let's see here. There we go. Okay, there, we've got both of those now are inked, but this is the one that I'm here to talk about today. And it is the new vac, my new vac from Twsbi. All right, I hope you like that little unboxing. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.